In this video presentation, I'll be retreating a maxillary molar tooth in which there's been a perforation in the furcation. On the preoperative radiograph, you can see the perforation area. It's just distal to the mesiobuccal root. I have removed the entire restoration using a combination of long tapered diamond burr, ultrasonics, and an LN burr. I'm now troughing between the MB1 and the palatal canal to try and find the orifice of the MB2. The access cavity is irrigated with 3% sodium hypochlorite. Gutta perca is efficiently removed from the root canals using a Gates Glidden number 2 and a Hedstrom file. In the mesiobuccal canal, the entire master cone comes out intact. After preparation with a Wave 1 Gold large instrument and further irrigation with 3% sodium hypochlorite, the perforation defect can be managed. Here I'm packing a resorbable collagen matrix through the perforation defect and onto the bony crypt. Further increments of collagen are packed through the defect. The cavity can then be washed with water and dried. I then dry the prepared root canals with a matched paper point. With the access cavity and root canals dry, the perforation is clearly visible. Next, I expose a cone fit radiograph. The canals are obturated using a vertically compacted gutta perca technique. Backfilled with obtura. After removal of excess sealer, the cavity is inspected. I am now going to pack biodentine through the perforation site and onto the collagen matrix. I will then cover the entire pulp floor and orifices of the root canals with the same material. You can see a small bleed, but this will not affect the seal from the bioceramic material. I am now packing biodentine into the orifices of the root canals and across the entire pulp floor. Once the biodentine has set, I can etch the dentine of the walls of the access cavity. I then place dual cure bonding agent on the etched dentine and the biodentine. The access cavity is filled with a flowable bulk fill composite smart dentine replacement and the surface layer ceramics. The final radiograph shows a good homogeneous seal